Hello, this is Patrick with Spec-Dor. I'm one of the design engineers, and I'm going to walk you through some of the parts on a hangar door and how to correctly identify them. Door system operation and movement. The door is the entire system. It's not any of these individual panels, it is the assembly of all these panels with the bottom rails and the top tracks. This is made up of these door sections, door leaves, door blades, all interchangeable terms. Each of these door sections will have a leading edge and a trailing edge. Leading edge is the direction on the closing side, usually towards the middle of the opening, and the trailing edge is on the pocket side on the opening direction. On a door, you'll have a or several drive sections. These will have a motor, and you will have some idler or trailing sections, which are non-motorized and are moved by the drive section. When talking about a hangar door, it's often important to know which side is left and right. So we define left and right based on someone standing inside of the hangar looking out. So if you're inside the hangar looking out through the doorway, this will be the left side of the door and this will be the right side of the door. This has been Patrick for Spec-Dor. Thanks for listening to our video. If you have any questions, please contact us with the link in the description below.